Visit BigBoyHotRods.com, www.BigBoyHotRods.com. We buy, sell, trade classic cars. If you have anything you want to sell, give me a call. I'll give you a price over the phone. 954-937-8271. My name is Alex. If you want to buy a car, give me a call. We ship worldwide. Here we have a 29 street rod, 29 Ford, for sale or trade. Here we have an El Camino 70 for sale or trade. Here we got a Ronald McDonald for sale or trade. www.BigBoyHotRods.com. Call me at 954-937-8271. Here we have a little Doom Buggy, Redneck Customs. 38 Willys for sale or trade. '57 Cadillac for sale or trade. Visit www.BigBoyHotRods.com. 56 Cadillac for sale or trade. Choppers. 2007 custom chopper, Demon choppers, for sale or trade. 59 Apache, fully restored, for sale or trade. For pictures, visit www.BigBoyHotRods.com. 67 Chevy C10, frame off restoration, for sale or trade. Got a Rat Rod 50 Ford F1, for sale or trade. Visit www.BigBoyHotRods.com. Gorgeous 38 Dodge pickup for sale or trade. If you have a car you're looking to get rid of, or you're just tired of driving or looking at it, pick up the phone, give me a call. I'll take it off your hands and I could put you into one of these beauties. We'll figure out, you know, I trade up or down. See what your car is worth, we'll see what my car is worth, and we'll do a fair trade. 48 street rod for sale or trade. We even got a tow truck for sale or trade. Call me at 954-937-8271. We got lots of cars here. Go to the website, BigBoyHotRods.com. BigBoyHotRods.com. 61 Impala for sale or trade. 46 Plymouth, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. The red one, that's for sale or trade. Corvette, I'll trade. 954-937-8271. I can also arrange shipping to your door. 53 Ford pickup for sale or trade with a hydraulic bed. Visit www.BigBoyHotRods.com. www.BigBoyHotRods. Herbie 73 Volkswagen for sale or trade. Camaro trailer. The top goes down on it and it has 2 seats in it. You could put somebody in there, for sale or trade. BigBoyHotRods.com. 39 Ford all steel for sale or trade. '67 Plymouth GTX convertible. Big block 440 Super Commando for sale or trade. Visit BigBoyHotRods.com. We got plenty of cars in stock for sale or trade. Also got pickups. 88 F-250 4x4. 2004 Dodge Ram Crew Cab Cummins Diesel 4x4. Also got a Porsche Carrera 4 convertible for sale or trade. Golf cart for sale or trade. 2-seater. BigBoyHotRods.com. BigBoyHotRods.com. We buy, sell, trade. Call me right now, guys.
You ain't nothing but a hand.
If you wanna trade in your car or buy one of these beauties. BigBoyHotRods.com. BigBoyHotRods.com. My name is Alex. Give me a call. I can help you with shipping right to your doorstep. Thank you for looking. www.BigBoyHotRods.com. We also got some memorabilia. We also sell. www.BigBoyHotRods.com. Thank you for looking. Give me a call right now.